Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the photo aspect ratio in your ULEFONE Armor 17 Pro. So let's start open the camera app, then tap on the settings icon. Now you can see there you have a picture size, just tap on it, select your desired aspect ratio, and just take your photo. You can see there you have 4 various aspect ratios. Now we have 4:3. The full size, 4:3 again, but with 8 megapixels, and again full. And that was all aspect ratios on this phone, and this is how it looks. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.